Well, this breaking input is also pertinent to the West Bengal's train collision, where Kanchenjunga train has now arrived at the Salda station. West Bengal Minister and Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim are interacting with people of Kanchenjunga train. So these are latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where Kanchenjunga train has arrived at Salda station. Remember, at least 9 passengers died and 41 others were injured after 3 rare coaches of the stationary Salda-bound Kanchenjunga train derailed on Monday morning after a goods train collided with it from the rear in West Bengal's Darjeeling district. Now let's take a look at some of the reactions that we've been getting on this report.
अभी तो हम लोगों ने सब जो हमारे यात्री हैं इन लोगों से इनकी हालचाल पूछे हैं और हम लोग ने यहाँ पे एक मेडिकल बूथ भी किया हुआ है। पैसेंजर्स को गाइड करने के लिए हमारी आरपीएफ की टीम लगी हुई है। डॉक्टर्स हमारे हैं वहाँ पे, अगर किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो उनको दिखा देंगे और हमारी एम्बुलेंसेस भी हैं। अगर ऐसा तो अभी तो सब लोग ठीक ही बता रहे हैं, बट अगर कोई इशू होगी तो उनको हॉस्पिटल में भी अटेंशन दिलवाएंगे।
हम लोग डॉक्टर्स टीम रखे हैं, खाने के अरेंजमेंट्स भी रखे हैं, फूड पैकेट्स भी रखे हैं और हम लोग एम्बुलेंस भी रख चुके हैं। इसके अलावा अगर डॉक्टर्स लोग सोचे जे हम लोग उसको ये सब पैसेंजर्स जो हैं उनको हॉस्पिटलाइज करने की ज़रूरत है तो हम लोग 10 के ऊपर बेड रखे हुए हैं अपना BR सिंह हॉस्पिटल में। वहाँ हम लोग सभी यात्री को अलाउ करेंगे अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराने के लिए और डॉक्टर्स छोड़ के अगर पैसेंजर भी फील करे कि हमको ट्रीटमेंट का ज़रूरत है, वी विल अलाउ देम। प्राइमा फेसी जो है हम लोग ये हमारा मिनिस्ट्री से भी बताया गया, ये जो ड्राइवर थे गुड्स का उन्होंने सिग्नल को ओवरशूट किया।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Kamalika Sengupta. Very good morning, Kamalika. Kanchenjunga train has reached the Salda station and West Bengal's Minister and Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim is also there to interact with the people on the ground. Take us through all the details and what is the situation like at the moment?
Almost early in the morning, it's around 3 a.m., the Kanchenjunga, the unaffected portion of that Kanchenjunga Express, along with the passengers, they arrived in Shialda station. And at that point of time, Firhad Hakim and other ministers were also there, and all the railway officials were also there. So they were the people who wanted treatment, though most of them were in a state of shock. We were also speaking to some of them, and they were now, the people who came, they did not have any injury physically, but most of them were in a state of shock because the way the accident took place, this is something which they will never forget in their life. So they were actually they were taken back to their homes. They have reached their homes, respective areas where for which they have come. That is the one status. On the other hand, as far as Siliguri is concerned, this Rangapani station's area is concerned, the upline that is working. The debris have been cleared from that area. Downline, as for the railway minister yesterday, he stated that it will be cleared by 10 and 11 o'clock today. On the other hand, in hospital also, there are 6 to 7 patients who are critically injured. Apart from that, other patients who are not that injured, they have been given first aid and they have been released. But the state of shock is something which is horrifying for them, as we were talking to them. Till now it is 9 dead, 9 people have died, 9 casualties, out of which 7 passengers were there and 2 were railway staff. And 9 grievous injured and 32 simple minor injury. So this is the total thing. On the other hand, we know that the railway minister visited yesterday. Mamata Banerjee also is there in North Bengal. She also went to the hospital yesterday. And the question is that why did this accident took place? There where now the investigation is a very big question. A lot of questions are arising that why this overshooting took place. Right, there the railway will form a committee.
Right. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll continue to track the story as the day progresses and we get more updates on this.